unboxing of something different. Well, for those of you that know, we had kids. We had triplets, guys. So like 3 beautiful girls. And obviously I'm a consultant that specializes in process optimization. So I have decided to go for solutions that would help me be able to sleep. So in other words, help me have enough amount of sleep. So this is one of the tools I have. I'll probably do a proper home review later because it's an intelligent house. So everything is fully automated. So things like the temperature in your room, the cameras, the sort of alerts. So like as I'm here now, I can see the room on one of the devices we have there on the screens. All over the house, we can actually see the room in real time. So yeah, it just helps. But yeah, so there's a lot to talk about. But yeah, so baby Brezza, shout out to Bud at work. He made this happen. They don't sell this in the UK. So this seems to be an American sort of design. You can probably hear one of the babies, bro. Yeah, everything's good. So it's basically a baby food maker. You put in the formula here, the powder, and he makes it. But why I like this is it works with Wi-Fi. So I'm going to configure this in such a way that I just give the command to my sort of smart home device, be it Google, Amazon, whatever the case might be, and then he does the rest. Now, because everything is ×3, so this, I have worked it out, is going to save me another 30 minutes per child. I have another one called Tommy TP upstairs, but I want another one downstairs, and this is probably going to be the one downstairs because it just makes things work pretty quick. I might swap them around, but I'll figure out what's the most optimized approach. But yeah, here we go, guys. So I'm looking forward to this. It should save, like I said, a lot of time, a lot of effort. Oh, I forgot to bring pens too. I can just quickly remove the tape here. It's a shame that they don't actually stock this Wi-Fi one in the UK. I'm sure there might be a reason, but whatever the case might be, we tend to be very, we're quite clued on here anyway. So in terms of ensuring that it's the right type of water we use. Okay, anyway, an instruction manual here. I'll just keep that on here for now. That's what it looks like so far. An empty carton there. And I'll just bring this is the unit itself. Leave that there. Just make sure, okay, there's one more item in here, which is sort of taped down. So that's that one empty. I don't know if you can see it there. I'll leave that on the floor. This one had this bit sort of stuck to it here. Okay, put this carton back here. So yeah, so this is the baby Brezza Wi-Fi version. So the one in the UK is all white, but this one, the difference is you can control this via Wi-Fi. It's quite a chunky unit though. I'm sure obviously the power would be an American sort of socket, like here, just as I thought. So I'll need an adapter to that, but before I do so, I need to ensure it can do up to 240 volts. If not, I need a step down converter for it, which luckily I can do. Made in China. This was done in 2021, so quite some time. Does it say how many volts? Advanced formula. Okay, yeah, so 120 volts AC, 260 watts. Okay, so I'll need to look into this thoroughly to make sure it's possible. It looks like it's got wheels, by the way. Yeah, it's got wheels, so it rotates around. Pretty clever. Yeah, okay, so this is the device. That's to unlock and to close. It's got some buttons here, powder, water, temperature, ounce, start, stop, Wi-Fi connection. Yeah, so it tells you what to do. You need to clean some things before you use. Clean funnel and cover after every 4 bottles. So technically, as I have 3 kids, after every meal I need to clean. It's crazy, man. But yeah, you have to enjoy the whole experience. This is probably goes there to sort of gauge the size of the cup. And then in the instruction manual, what does it say here? Baby Brezza Formula Pro Advanced Wi-Fi instructions, setup and cleaning. So yeah, so this is power supply, power voltage. It's 120 volts. So I need a step down for this to work. If I just try plugging it in directly, it's gonna blow. So I need to get a step down for it to work. Obviously it tells you about the app, everything on here. Sorry, that's what I'm looking at. Yeah, so guys, that's about it. So when I give it a try, I'll let you all know, and looking forward to this. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, and again, like I said, I'll talk you all through my setup in terms of how I've done things at home, the whole home automation business, regulating the temperature in the room, you know, the humidity, the sort of pollution in terms of allergies and all that stuff that moves around in the air. How I sanitize the house with this COVID UV lights to kill any germs as well. I tend to do that at night when we all go to bed. But yeah, no, a lot of good stuff. And of course, more importantly as parents, how to ensure we have enough sleep. So far I've been able to save us an hour, 30 minutes of sleep altogether, you know, which is something you can't sort of mess around with, you know. So, and this is obviously every feed time. So yeah, per child. And I mean, it was like we used to feed them every 3 to 4 hours. And then losing that 1 hour, 30 minutes in a day, you can imagine how many hours that is. So yeah, well, thank you all so much. It's been a pleasure. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye.